does it feel? Why isn't it on? Oh, it's off.
Feels lovely. Feels good.
You're still, oh, you're only on 2, kid.
Oh, oh my god, my arms are like.
Breathe.
I'm trying
Shoulders
to
back.
I'm trying to straighten them out. Oh my goodness gracious.
You say goodness gracious, everybody else has like Tourette's and starts swearing like crazy.
Oh!
Stand still. Don't break form. Shoulders back. Breathe. You feeling the biceps?
Oh yeah. I'm trying to pull my shoulders back.
Good. Breathe.
Oh my god.
Keep still. Keep still. Awesome. Tell me when you can't take it.
Right there.
Okay.
Trying to keep my arms down.
It's hard, right?
Yeah, because it feels like I'm gonna friggin' punch myself in the face.
The fact that you can keep them down is amazing. I couldn't.
Oh, it's hot. Believe me, it feels like my muscle in my bicep wants to just punch me right now. My chest feels like my chain is ripping around my neck. Oh, I feel so big. See? It feels awesome.
We're going to bring it up. You're smiling too much.
Oh, fuck!
Alright, stay there.
Keep that arm down.
Breathe. Try not to rock back and forth. Breathe. Good job.
What am I at?
6.
Oh, Jesus.
9. Look up a little bit. Breathe. Are you good there? You want to go up?
Feels good right there.
You're doing a great job. I think Tim Stanton only got up to a 6 on this. Breathe.
Yeah.
I can't believe you have control over your hands. What does it feel like?
Feels like somebody's like slicing my chest up.
You're not going to like this, but
Oh.
stay there. Don't. But they should be tighter.
Oh. I gotta keep that arm down. I'm like fighting to keep my arms down. Oh. It feels like you're just driving it into my chest. Thank you so much.
Well, it's a little when it's a little tighter, it definitely you feel the difference for sure.
Oh yeah. You got like dry mouth and shit.
All right, don't rock back and forth.
Yeah, you can YouTube this shit.
You're at 7-4. Can you go higher?
On my arms, maybe, but on my chest. Oh.
Breathe.
Oh boy.
Good job. You're at 7-6.
Yeah.
Let's try to get you
What?
10 seconds. Let's try to get you up to 8. You're at 8, kid.
Oh.
You good?
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. You just go. It's like you deflate. Ah.
Now you can rest for a minute.